Hi guys, welcome to Manoeuvre online crash course video for IPMAT, INDORE and ROHTAK and other BBA entrants like NPAT and SET exams. So as we all know, due to epidemic of coronavirus, all the classes and the colleges has been shut. Because of this, many students are facing problem how they should prepare for the IPMAT and other BBA entrance exam. So that's why we have launched online crash course for all the BBA aspirant guys. You can sit at home and prepare for all the exams without being panic. So in this video, I'll be telling you how you go about your online crash course preparation. This is what the online crash course curriculum guys. There will be live session approximate 80 hours. There will be doubt session mostly on weekends. There will be questions handouts and mock test series, probably 10 mock tests. PM INDORE mock is launched. Soon we will be launching the mock for the ROHTAK and NMAT NPAT also. So before we proceed, let's see some important dates about the exam. As we all know, exams are back to back for all the BBA entrants. IPMAT INDORE is on 30th of April. It might get extended because of coronavirus, but there is no any official notification so far guys. IPMAT ROHTAK 1st of May, SET Symbiosis 2nd of May, and NPAT NMAT it will be May 9th and 10th. So these are some major BBA entrance exam which many of the aspirant appear for. I'm sure that many of you have filled form for the INDORE and ROHTAK. Some of you might be planning to go for Symbiosis and NMAT also. And those who have not yet filled the form, do fill the form guys. Now let me show you how you can join this online crash course program. So what you have to do guys, you have to go to manoeuvre.com website, www.manoeuvre.com, and from here you have to go to buy online. In buy online you have to go to the BBA entrance 4th option, and here go to the full course program. So once you click on the full course program, here you can see live session BBA entrance online crash course. So this is what the package you have to purchase guys. From here you have to do add to cart and complete your payment process. After then you will get a call back from our counselor once you enroll for this program. They will tell you about the further process how you can join online session. So tomorrow there will be overview session. After then other session will go ahead, and very important, all this session will be recorded and it will be available on your portal guys. So for example, if you have missed any session, you can go to your portal and watch the recorded sessions. So in live session there will be 2 sessions. One will be in the morning and second will be in the evening or maybe the afternoon. Per session will be around 2 hours, or sometime it may be 3 hours also, but minimum it will be of 2 hours. Learning will be basics, all the question solving and the shortcuts. All the area gets covered like quant, advanced level quant, which comes in your IIM INDORE, logical reasoning, English section, which is nothing but your verbal ability and reading comprehension, and GK part. Now, all the student can connect through all these devices either from computer, laptop, mobile phone or the iPad. So any of these devices is sufficient to get connect online and internet connection. Second, which is very important, doubt session. So your doubt session mostly on weekends around 1.5 to 2 hours. All your doubts you have to send on manoeuvre.student@gmail.com, and there will be a mentorship WhatsApp group also where all the strategy and the guidance part will be discussed. I will also be the part of this WhatsApp group and other faculty members to guide all the aspirants, those who are preparing for their BBA entrance. Third and very important, handouts. There will be 25 to 30 questions in your each handouts. You have to solve. So all these handouts will be discussed in the live session. These handouts will cover your basics and advanced level question guys. And fourth, which is very important, mock test series. So mock test will be nothing but replica of your actual exam like IPMAT, INDORE and the IPM, ROHTAK, NPAT, other exams. For all these exams there will be mock test, solution and the analysis part will be given. So once you write the mock test, you get the feel of your actual exam guys. So do write the mock test, that is important. So all these 4 things gets covered in your online crash course program. So as I shown you earlier, you have to go to the manoeuvre.com/BBA entrance. From here you have to go to the full course program and buy online and join the live session crash course for BBA entrance. Once you join that program, you will get a call back from our counselor and further process will be explained to you. For any assistance, you can call on 8828581455 guys. So due to coronavirus, many students are panic how they will be preparing for the exam and this is sufficient time for the preparation or not. Let me tell you guys, 40 days is sufficient to crack the exam. It's just that you need to have a right guidance, proper mentorship and your 100% dedication. That's it. So see you in the live session guys. All the best and thank you.